Hi guys, in this video I will show how to download and install VirtualBox in Windows 11. Let's get started by opening your favorite web browser and browse this URL virtualbox.org. Okay, now click on downloads. Okay, now select the platform. Click on this download link for Windows operating system. Okay, start download. This will take a while, and also download VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, download complete. Now open download folder. And open VirtualBox installer. Click on next to continue on installation. Now select the destination folder where you want to install VirtualBox. This is the default location. You can change this location by browsing. Okay, now click on next to continue installation. Click on next. Okay, network interface installing the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Networking feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. Proceed with the installation now. Click on yes. Okay, now setup is ready to begin the custom installation. Okay, now click on install. Now allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes. Okay, would you like to install this device software? Click on yes. Okay, now start VirtualBox after installation. Now go to download folder again and open VirtualBox extension pack and install with VirtualBox. Okay, click on install button and accept the license agreement. Click on I agree. Now allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes. Installing extension pack. Okay, Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack was installed successfully. Click on OK. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.